Hello, young lords, learners, students. Welcome to this session. I am going to talk about Elizabethan age, its historical background, cultural background, and movements. Generally, we talk about Elizabethan age in England, Elizabethan literature, Elizabethan poetry, Elizabethan drama. So, a question arises: what Elizabethan age is? What Elizabethan age refers to? शुरू से
Ne.
Elizabethan age is an age which witnessed the reign of Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth reigned and ruled over England from 1554 to 1603. This period and the literature written and composed between 1554 to 1603 is called Elizabethan age. During this period, England witnessed tranquility, peace, order completely. The reign of Queen Elizabeth was free from any turmoil, any ups and downs, any fight, a struggle. But before Elizabeth, England witnessed a lot of wars and battles. But during the Elizabethan age, there was complete peace, order, tranquility in England. This is the reason that literature flourished during Elizabethan age. During this period, poetry flowed, drama after drama was composed in England, sonnet after sonnet was composed. Now let me define Renaissance. Renaissance is important movement that occurred during Elizabethan age. Now let me explain what Renaissance means. Renaissance means reawakening. Awakening from the Middle Ages and learning the new things, new ideas, new concepts, new things in all walks of life. This movement came to be known as Renaissance or reawakening. Now, this movement took place in Rome, in Italy. Rome was the center of civilization. Rome was the center of culture, and therefore Renaissance took place in Rome, that is in Italy. But during the Elizabethan age, the movement of Renaissance or reawakening traveled from Italy to England, and England began to change rapidly. England was waking up from the Middle Ages during this period. So, England of of 1554 to 1660 is known as the age of Renaissance. Now there is another movement that took place during this period. This is cultural diffusion. When the Romans came into England, they brought about their own culture, their own civilization, education, manners, everything. And England was deeply influenced deeply influenced by the culture, civilization of Rome or Roman culture. So, the start of Roman culture in England is known as cultural diffusion. Another significant thing is that Elizabethan age witnessed humanism. Now, what is humanism? Humanism refers to ideas, things, concepts about humanity. Earlier, church dominated. Church had say in everything. But now the focus shifted from church to humanity. So this movement came to be known as humanism. All the literatures, be it poetry, be it drama, deal with all these movements, Renaissance, cultural diffusion, and humanism. Dr. Faustus is an embodiment of Renaissance. Dr. Faustus is an embodiment of humanism and cultural diffusion. That's all. Thanks.